Hey guys, welcome to Beginner's Barbecue. I'm Ben Harding and I have no idea what I'm doing. But today I wanted to talk a little bit about heating up your pit for a cook. Now, I did a cook that I didn't end up doing a video for because the kids were all over the place. It was a busy day, so I just didn't have the chance to set up the camera. But I made a batch of poor man's burnt ends out of chuck roast. And when I lit up my pit, I did a full chimney of charcoal and then added wood on top once that was all lit. And within the course of about 10 minutes, my pit got up to 400, 450, 480 degrees, way too hot to be useful for low and slow barbecue. And so I'm planning to do another big cook this weekend, my first attempt at a smoked pork butt. And it wasted so much time when I had an overheated pit. It took about an hour for me to get it down to that 250, 275 range. And so I decided I was going to try using a half chimney instead of a full chimney. And sorry if you hear the neighbor kids, they're having a good time at a pool. But I thought I'd try a half chimney and see if that made the heat a little more manageable. So tonight I gave it a shot and lit a half chimney, put a few pieces of wood on it once that was all lit up, and the pit heated up to 320 degrees beautifully. And I can adjust from the vents to get to 275 from there. It was really easy. So that's what I'm gonna plan to do this weekend, but I thought if it's your first time using your Highland and you're not sure how much charcoal to use, if you're gonna be doing low and slow, try a half chimney instead of a full chimney if you're going to be using wood splits like these for additional heat. So hope this was helpful, little short video, and hope you get some value out of it.